How to sign up or how to log into Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sign up or log into Snapchat. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. In order to sign up or log into Snapchat, you can simply go ahead and open up the Snapchat application. Now you can get the application easily on your Play Store or App Store. It is available. You can open it up and you'll be on the login page. Now it'll ask you to enter in your username and password, right, to log in. So what you can do is you can enter in your username here, or email or phone number as well. You can tap and use phone number instead and log in easily. However, if you want to sign up, if you are first time on your Snapchat, then you can simply enter in your phone number, right, and enter in a new password and tap on login. Then it'll say that your account hasn't been created. Do you wish to create one? You want to proceed with it and you can do so. However, if you're on the login page, you'll also find the sign up option as you can see on the screen. Tap on sign up and now you can enter in your name and enter in your other details. It'll take you through the prompts such as your date of birth and what you want to set your username as, and you can agree and continue and you're good to go. This is how you can sign up or log into Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.